Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Lately, I've been seeing this unlimited stars and coins method for Domino Dreams all over the internet. People keep claiming it works instantly and can fill your account with rewards almost no effort at all. Honestly, I wasn't sure what to believe, so I decided to check it out myself and see if there was any truth to it, or if it's just another fake trend spreading online. In today's video, I'm going to show you every step I took from start to finish. And at the end, we'll look at the results together to see if this stars and coins method is really worth the hype. The first thing I needed to find was my Domino Dreams player ID. So I opened the game, went into my profile settings menu, and found it pretty quickly. Once I had it, I copied it and saved it so I could use it for the next steps. Really simple, super quick, and it only took a few seconds to get ready. Next, I opened the browser on my phone. I used Chrome, but any browser should work the same. Then, I typed in the website everyone was talking about. The page loaded normally, and I didn't notice any strange redirects or anything unusual at first. The layout looked clean and easy to use. Once I got onto the site, I searched for Domino Dreams and selected it from the list. After that, I chose my device type. I'm using Android, but there was also an iPhone option available too. Next, I pasted in my player ID, double-checked that everything looked correct, and tapped Continue. So far, the whole process was smooth, simple, and easy to follow. Now it was time to choose how many resources I wanted to add. Since this was just a review, I picked one of the higher amounts to see what would happen. After confirming it, the site started showing loading bars and progress messages. It looked like something was happening, but of course we still needed to wait and see the real result. There was also a quick verification step at the end, which is common on sites like this. After finishing everything, I went back into Domino Dreams to check my stars and coins balance. This was the big moment. I wanted to see if anything had actually changed, and to my surprise, the extra rewards were already there waiting in my account. No restart, no delays, and no extra steps needed. Everything showed up instantly. Now that I've tested it myself, I'll let you decide if this kind of method is really worth your time. Let me know in the comments if you've ever seen methods like this for Domino Dreams, or if you've tested one yourself. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stick around for more honest tests, game tips, and Domino Dreams content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.